Hello, good morning or good afternoon or good evening, Mr. Gunawan. My name is Shanette Chantalika Arnola Kawengian. You can call me Shanette. And now I am going to tell you about my unforgettable moments in the past. From the past. I hope you enjoy it. So my first unforgettable moment has to be when my dad passed away. I was 11 back then. I knew what was going on, but somehow I was not quite sure how to express myself. I mean, I was sad, but I got so distracted with a lot of things because all of my big family came and it was so crowded, so I did not cry much. Until years have passed and I realized that I really just lost someone so important in my life. I miss him every day and I always wonder how my life would be if he was here. The second unforgettable moment has to be my first love. We met in kindergarten and immediately became friends. Not to mention his dad was my dad's friend because they worked in the same place. His mom was also my mom's friend, and his older brother was my sister's friend. It can be said that our family was quite close with each other. So we spent most of our childhood together until I hit puberty in the late 5th grade elementary school, and I started to see him differently. And apparently he was too. So basically we spent our last year of elementary school liking each other. But he was, and still is, so unforgettable because he really took good care of me. He really was a great friend. And lastly, my unforgettable moment is all the seconds I spent with my mom. It was either cooking, baking, watching any kinds of entertainment from TV, when we had our serious or weird conversations, and a lot more. So that's it for my unforgettable moments in the past. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you, Mr. Gunawan, a good day ahead. Thank you for watching and listening. Goodbye.